or just need to reset your current Xero organization data, this guide will take you through the process seamlessly. Before we dive in, it's important to ensure you have administrator access. This level of access is essential for performing any account resets, as it grants you the necessary permissions to make significant changes. Let's start by heading over to Xero and clicking on Get Started. This will get you into the interface where you can proceed with the reset. Once you're in, our next move is to head to the organization settings for your account. You'll want to navigate by clicking on Settings, then General Settings, and finally Organization Details. Here, you'll be able to review all the current details of your organization, which is crucial because you need to confirm that this is indeed the account you want to reset. Once you have verified that, you'll utilize either Xero's conversion or reset tools. These options are very handy depending on your situation. For instance, if you have a brand new setup or maybe you're working with a trial account, you'll find it beneficial to either start a new organization to replace the current setup or clear any sample data if it's a demo account. Both steps are straightforward and can help you get started on the right foot. Keep in mind that Xero does not allow the full deletion of live data, so if you're dealing with older accounts, you might need to clear the data manually. After you've done the necessary clearing or initiated a fresh start, it's time to confirm the reset. You will want to carefully review the dashboard and any reports to ensure that no old data remains. It's crucial because the presence of old data could interfere with your new setup and cause unnecessary confusion. Once satisfied, take this opportunity to reconfigure some essential settings like your financial year, tax rates, and payment methods. This ensures everything is in alignment with your organizational needs moving forward. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should have successfully reset your Xero account, setting it up for new beginnings. This process, while straightforward, demands attention to detail to ensure that everything goes smoothly and that all data and settings are correctly reset and configured. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful for your Xero reset needs. If you have any further questions or need additional help, feel free to reach out for more guidance.